Had a dream I was 7, climbing my way in a tree. I saw a piece of heaven waiting impatient for me, Lord. And I was running far away. Would I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. And I was dancing in the rain. I felt alive and I can't